Alright, welcome to this Python introduction on lists. This is the video for you that is just getting started with Python. So if you've already come across lists in another context, maybe this is a little bit too easy for you. But you also want to repeat things, then you're most welcome. So in Python, we have something called data structures, and this video is about lists. And every programming language has something called a data structure concept, and it's a way of actually storing data in our program. And we can think of lists as basically a compartment in our program. And the size of this list, or the number of compartments, is up to us as the programmer to decide. And we gonna try to create these compartments with something called a function of a list, and this called append. So let's see if we can understand this in Python as well. And we always start out with an empty list. So in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different compartments, or we say the size of the list is 6. In Python, they are numbered starting from 0, however, so this is good and important to remember. And in each compartment we can store information, and it could be just text, it could be like another complex object, but we're gonna stick to just simple text. And it's important to know that we always make the program subordinate to our idea. So it's not like I'm gonna use a list just for the sake of a list, but let's say I have an idea here that I wanna keep track of all the videos I've watched on YouTube this week. So I'll have something called a variable. Let's say I call it videos. And remember, this is not Python code yet, so but I wanna, in my mind, I have as an end goal, I want to have a list by the end that is of size 7. Okay, 5, 4, 5, 6. And this one is too big, so we can just maybe delete it. Alright, so we have a list of size 7. So let's write here size is 7. And the way we do this is that we start out with an empty list, and then we grow it by using the append. So let's go ahead over to our PyCharm or Visual Studio or whatever you prefer, and let's say I want to keep track of all the videos this week. So I'm going to create a new variable called videos, start out with an empty list, and as I move on in my program I use the append method. So let's say I watched a cartoon video, and maybe I've watched news about sports. What I've done now in the Python program is I've created a compartment or a list of size 2 with 2 different compartments basically, and I can see how this looks like in my program by using the print function. And then I'll see that I have actually 2 compartments called cartoon video and news about sports. And as you saw in the diagram, they are also ordered starting from 0. So what this means is that instead of printing the entire list, I can select just one element or one compartment to print. And I'll do that by using the braces. So let's say I want to print compartment number 1 or the second compartment, and I can do that as well. So this is a very simple introduction to how you can use the append and what actually goes on in the Python program underneath. Hope you find this useful, and leave your comments below. Have a good one.